Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to use your LG Smart TV without a remote control. So if you've either lost your remote or it's broken, I'm going to show you how to use your TV without it. So if you want to do some basic things with your TV, locate the power button, and this is normally directly in the middle of your TV under the logo, the LG logo. Press it once and this will bring up this menu here where you'll have the power, input, volume up, volume down, program up and program down, and you'll be able to use this by pressing and holding on, for instance, the program down, and then pressing once on the power button and it'll turn the volume and it'll program down, or if you've used the program up, and it's the same with the volume. You can do the same again with the input. However, if you want to do more controls, you will need to download an application on a smartphone. So this will work on both iPhone and Android and are readily available. Once you've downloaded it and installed it on your iPhone or Android, you'll then be able to use your TV with the application after you've connected it all. So that's how to use your LG Smart TV without a remote control. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.